Just a little project today, making a box for the new teeny tiny fridge in the back of the Land Cruiser for this next big trip we're doing. So, Bunnings Cut Shop, can't believe I haven't used that before. Well, we're getting closer. Look at this, the box. It's even, hang on, wait for it. This is the shocking part. It's actually pretty square. Beautiful, Gary. Measure twice, cut once or something.
Something like that.
Couple of supplies from the local hardware. Now we're back to it. Mate, I must own about 10 corking guns. Could I find mine this morning? Nope.
It better fit.
Here we go, we hope this works. Just put in some angle brackets for some extra strength. See what happens. Alright, we've named Gary's show too. It's going to be called DILF Builds. I'd watch that.
Flip your goddamn hair.
Oh, Gary, the precision with that. Look at that. Don't stuff it up, Gary.
Oh,
He's got it. He's got it. He's got it. Oh, perfect pump. Built it, glued it, put it back together. Nice one, Gary. Let's see, Gary, can you do it the other way?
can with that, it's straighter too.
Oh, up. Mate, the big chat. Oh, bubbles.
Look at that.
Not bad, Gary.
Not bad.
Well, as we say, nice one, Gary. Nice one, Gary. Alright, next. Here we go. Oh, I think you gotta move with it. I think you need some footwork. Yeah. Oh. Straight run. Oh, good finish. Finish strong.
Only way to finish.
Nice one, Gary. Alright, we're at assembly. Glue's on. So thrown in some brackets as well. Bit of nails behind, liquid nails behind those. Keep it strong. Gary's going to zip him up, and then we've got a bit of carpet for it. So we've got this going down now. Stable. And then what do we got? We've got spray glue. Right, bit of that stuff. All right, bit of spray glue. Here we go. Oh, look at this. Good. Look at that. Oh, now it's still. Yeah, no, that's. Can confirm is quite sticky. Ah,
Oh, sorry,
got me. Overshoot. All right, what do you reckon? Over the top.
I reckon we do it.
There we go. Over. Yeah, push him down. Oh, look at that. Like I bought one. Hey?
Better than a bought one.
Mate, DILF Builds.
Better than a bought one.
Better than I bought one because we did it ourselves. Oh, slowly. So much glue.
I want to come off.
I feel like you're having fun here, mate.
Oh, mate, I'm having a blast.
How good is?
Yeah?
Alright, stable it, just to finish it off. It's not going anywhere, is it, Gary? Because you won't be able to see this. So we can sort of hide our dodgy work here. No, nothing dodgy. It's really good though, this glue, whatever this is. Now this is the business. Mate, anti-fag. That is some good stuff. Nice one, Gary. Now, don't tell the boss, but we're using the kitchen knife. Oh. Mate, Japanese steel, not just for the kitchen. We're up to the finishing touches here. This will be the front-facing side. So we're going to attempt to make it look nice. Not sure how we'll get all that glue off, but that's a problem for future us.
Well, you can't see it anyway.
Oh, actually, no, it'll be hidden in there. That'll be upside down, won't it? Nice. Nice. Step again. honest, so we're just trying to figure out where we do our cuts to get the nice little 45-degree folds. That looks good. We're going to do our detail work now, just folding over the lip here, trying to make this look nice, and then this is just going to get a bit of rattle can black, because, you know, chips. Looking good.
Just a little bit of glue in there.
Good glue. Right, our favourite spray glue. This is what really impressed me. Look at this. Hang on, if we can get it in focus. Doesn't get all the gunk stuck on it. I don't know what voodoo this is, but that's amazing. Alright. Glue, a couple of staples. Really looking good. Yeah, it's really looking good, mate. Send it home, finish it off. Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that, Gary. Done it. There we go, using the kitchen knife just to tidy that up. Sorry, boss.
Sorry, boss.
Sorry, boss. We absolutely
Sorry,
did
boss.
not do that. Whoops.
Don't need to see that.
Actually comes in at the back, and it's a little bit narrower because that's where the little refrigeration unit is. But I'll tell you what, for something we've whipped up in the garage, and we've spent, I think, 2 hours?
2 hours?
Yeah,
Easy 2 hours?
that is pretty good. Now we're getting technical. Alright, bit of rattle can paint.
Can I move my...
Try not to get it on the nice car. Hang on. Let's see how this goes. No. Here we go. A little bit. Ready? Oh, it's so professional. There you go. There you go. Here's our walk around. So she's all finished. This is the Bunnings special. So it's all, yeah, literally, yeah, a bit of marine ply. That's just a material from Bunnings. It was like $27 a metre. A couple of angle brackets, tech screws, and the DILF, because DILF builds. Absolute cracker. Next thing to do is we'll fit it up, and then it'll bolt straight into my false floor to stop it from going anywhere.